Hello, crazy YouTubers. Here's a quick life hack that you might find interesting as I did. This is my bathroom door, and complaint was that Mr. Nobody always left it open. So here's a quick hack that I found on Amazon, and it works really great. So I thought I could share this with you. It's a little automatic door closer, and it can be installed very easily. Does the job pretty well, and seems to work fine. I've got it deployed in two places. Very easy, and if you don't require this, you can always take this off the hook here, and the door will remain open. So, good luck with that. I think you can use it in various places like kitchen cabinets or maybe your wardrobe doors, right? So hopefully that makes life a little better for everybody. Cheers.